Why's the contractor gotta mess around with attic ventilation? Why can't he just put the shingles on the roof and move on and be done? If we want the attic ventilation system to tackle heat and moisture, the system better be balanced. Hey, I've got 5 bids on the kitchen table. 5! Why is only yours talking about balanced ventilation? Let's go over the types of exhaust vents on the street. Not by brand, by grouping. Ladies and gentlemen, there's 5, and only 5. I'd like to point out the most important step of the whole process right now on the screen. The wind rides the roof deck. That's what the wind does. It rides the roof deck, and at some point it intersects the vent. Well, if the vent has the wing, the baffle, it deflects up and over, creating low pressure and enhancing its performance. It'll take 5 wind turbines, 15 can vents to match what 42 feet of ridge vent cranks out on the same roof. We have a strong word of caution. If you're using a siding panel to be a functioning intake vent, and we interviewed contractors across North America, here are a collection of tips from people who are kind of high priced, and they get their fair asking price. We were asked to put into writing 5 things homeowners should know about attic ventilation. So it's not the roofer saying it, it's another party saying it. We're going to give this to you on your way out.